everybody, it's Lydia with the IFAS Escambia County Extension. You've probably noticed here in Escambia County that we've had some palm damage after the hard freeze that we had in December. Here we have the Pindo palm. It didn't receive much damage because it is cold hardy and it is also a very healthy palm. Now some of our tropical palms, like your queen palm or your pygmy date palm, they likely died through the hard freeze. We're going to go over to our horticulture agent Beth. She's going to discuss the date palm and what to do as we gear up for springtime.
We have a couple of species of our date palms that have really shown quite a bit of damage from the cold we had in December. This is a Canary Island date palm, and we're seeing dead fronds that are completely brown. We're seeing partial green and brown. But the real key on these plants is to see if that middle leaf, what we call the spear leaf, is alive and healthy. And the only way to do that many times is to wait and see, since we can't always get up in there and pull on that leaf. Now, it may take some time for these phoenix palms to recover. So even as we move into spring, you're going to be looking for that center leaf to start regrowing, and hopefully you'll see green there, but it may even be later into the summer to know what's going to happen. So for now, try not to do a lot of pruning on these palms until we get out of our cold spell and move into more warm weather, and then hopefully we'll see some green. Unfortunately, some of these palms will die in our area because remember, that hard freeze was so cold and the growing point on these plants is high in the air. Now, there can be other things that happen on these phoenix and other palms that suffered cold damage, including some injury to the trunk, and even if they do regrow, you may have some new leaves that don't come out perfectly normal to begin with. But hopefully, as we move into summer, we'll get some of the normal appearance reoccurring. When you do need to prune some of these dead fronds, make sure you clean your pruners well after each cut. You can easily transmit diseases from one tree to the next, so we want to prevent that. If you need any more information on care of your palms or what's going on, contact the University of Florida Escambia County Extension.